Hi guys, this video is going to show you how to use Cricut to make a stencil to go on your next project, the carry tray. Okay, now a little while ago when we had a theory lesson, you should have downloaded Cricut. If you didn't, for some reason, you just need to go to cricut.com, click on the design tab, and you should be then prompted to either open it up or download it. Okay, so you can download it, follow the prompts, open it up. Now when it's going through the process of asking what sort of machine we have the Maker, okay, Cricut Maker. Okay, now I've already got that downloaded on my desktop. Once you open it up, here it is. Should be in centimeters, we set that last time. If it's not, you can go to your menu button, you can come down to settings, and you can tell it to change over to metric. Okay, done. And the space we're looking to keep our stencil to is a maximum of 25 centimeters by 25. So you can scroll down and use it. Or down here, there's a zoom. So you can zoom out and see your 25 by 25. Okay, so roughly there to there. Okay, we want to design in that space. The reason for that is the sheets we can put through the Maker are 30 centimeters wide. Okay, so we don't want to go beyond that. Okay, now there's a few things you can do in here. As always, the more skill you show, the better your mark's going to be for this component. So the simple things you can do are use basic shapes like this. Okay, click on it, it's thinking, and there you go. Now it's much like clip art. You can click and make it bigger and smaller. If there's a specific size you want, okay, you can type it up here. Now, while this padlock is in the locked position, when you change one, it'll change the other in the same ratio. Okay, so if I cut that in about half, hit enter, changes the other one too. Okay, if you want a different aspect ratio, just hit the padlock to unlock it, and then you can type in whatever size you want. So you might want that to be 10 by 6. Okay, you can manipulate it that way. You can move it around easy. You can lock that size. You can rotate. Very easy stuff. Now, you can just use basic shapes to make a cool pattern. You can use Control-C, Control-V to get things the same size. I know I've gone beyond 25, that's fine for the demo. You can also align things, so I'm holding Shift on my keyboard, doing a multi-select, and then there is an align option at the top here. So I can align things through the center that way, I can align things through the center that way. There we go, now they're dead in line. Okay, so you can do things like that. The other thing you'll notice as well, it's building layers as we go. And here they say they're all cut layers, so it knows the machine is going to have a blade in it, and it's going to cut it. That's predicted up through here. So we've got cut, we can put pens in it and draw, we can score things, we can engrave, we can emboss, wave and do perf. We are only doing cut, so make sure they are all cut. Other things you can do, so we've gone through shapes, there's all those different options. You can just put basic text in, so you might want to put a family name on there if you put using this as a gift. And trust me guys, parents usually want your projects as gifts. So make them nice, make them meaningful. If you want a different font, Cricut has some through here, but you'll see they cost money. There is a way around that, guys. You can design anywhere else you want. In Paint, in Word, you can use their fonts, and you take a snippet. For example, let's make that bigger. And then I can pick any font I want. There we go. To take a photo of it. I'll just get my cursor out of the way. I don't want that in it. To take a photo, use your snipping tool. Now to get your snipping tool, sorry, I'll show that again. I've got mine in my taskbar. If you search yours, snip, there you go. Pops up, you click new, and then you can just take a photo of the section you want. File, save as, throw it in your pictures folder. Is good to go. So then when you go back to Cricut, that's not Cricut, there we go. You can upload images as well. So I'm going to go upload image, browse. I'm going to go to my pictures folder, woods, open it up. I get a upload image, that's the one. You tell it if it's a simple, moderately complex or complex image. It's just black and white, it's really simple. Okay, continue. And here you can edit further, which is really cool. So you have like a magic wand, an eraser and a crop. Your magic wand is your best one. Click, deletes the background straight away. Click, click, click. I'll show you later when to use the rubber. Okay, we're going to preview what this looks like. So let's hit preview. And I'm going to zoom in. Here we go, top right hand corner. I'll hit preview again, and I can see I do have some imperfections around here. So I'm going to remember where they are, and I'm going to go back to my eraser. That's a bit big, so I'll change the size, and I'll get rid of that one. And I might do a line down here. Get rid of that one. Preview. Cleans up that area a bit. And preview. And the more time you take with that, the better your end product. Again, this is all skill. So we're not just concerned with our timber skills. We're going to be marked on our use of emerging technology as well, and the skills we show through that. Preview. Okay, see the W&O is starting to clean up a bit. Preview. Preview, and I think that's my last one. Preview. There we go, pretty happy with that. We hit continue. Now, it's selected this one, it's got the green box around it, and that says a print it, then cut it. We don't want that, we want just cut. Okay, so we select that one, click save, and there he is. Okay, so now I can click that and hit insert, and I have my new slightly more interesting font there. Okay, so that's how you get around your fonts. You may have seen that I had other images in here. I did the same thing. Now some of these I just stole straight from Google Images. Very low skill. Okay, so if we go to Google, I might type in mandala, go to images. I want a relatively simple one without not too many parts. There we go. Right click, save image as, throw it in your pictures folder. Okay, back into Cricut, you can go upload again, browse, mandala test, open. Still relatively simple, they're high contrast colors, just black and white. Click continue and you can edit again. Okay, use your zoom, make life easier for you. Delete the parts you don't want. Now you might decide you'd want that arrowhead as a solid block, so you might leave it. So I've left the arrowheads again. I might leave those, and I might leave that like that. Hit preview. Okay, you'll see what you get. Continue, cut image, save. There we go. That's what it'll look like. Insert. Okay, I can move him around. I can make him the size I want. So I might unlock that one and go, well, Miss said I can have it as big as 25 by 25. Done. Okay. Now I could have taken out those extra sections. It's completely fine. You can go back in, upload your image and edit again. You can see what different looks you can get. Now, if you're looking to put maximum skill in here, guys, you could do something like this. Upload an image, and you may have something like a family photo or something really important to your family, like a totem or a symbol. Okay, so I've stolen one off the net. There's a family photo. Open. Now, this one's not high contrast colors. There's a lot of different colors in here, different tones. I'd go straight to complex, click continue. I need to use these same 3 tools to use it. Now you can try your magic wand tool, but you'll see what happens. It doesn't get, cut off part of Dad's head, undo. It doesn't get everything. It does still look messy. Now you could use this tool just to remove large chunks. And then, did it again. Then you could use your erase tool, get it as big as you can for sections, click and drag. Just zoom out a bit, yeah. Now I'm not going to sit here for half an hour and do this with you. Just want to show you that you can, see I made that smaller now and I can get in closer, can zoom back in and work your way around the image. Now if you can't get in there, just change the size of your eraser and get in there closer. Alright, I'm going to do a quick job. Meow. I'll just get in there. That's alright. Sorry, Dad. Obviously, you would do a lot better than this. Oops. Doesn't matter just for the sake of this demo, but take your time with yours. We'll get up in there. Take that part out. There we go. Okay. Oh. Get the idea. Be better with yours. Now, if you choose to do it this way, because either you want the mark or you want something more meaningful, don't sit there for the lesson and not do anything thinking, oh, I'll just do it at home. Practice, okay? You could just do what I've done and pick a random one and practice on it. Then when you've got your good photo, you'll get through it a lot quicker. change the size there. Zoom out. I know it's not perfect. I'm going to hit preview and I can see where I can now go around and clean up a bit more. Okay. Okay, continue. It's a cut image. Hit save. There it is. Something really personalised that you've done a lot of work on to get right. Okay, I've selected it. Hit insert image. There you go. I'm going to zoom out. Oops, bit much. I don't want that anymore. I don't want that anymore. I'm just hitting delete on my keyboard. I think I'll keep that. I think I'll put that up there. And I might put that there. And make sure I've kept within my 25 by 25. I'll zoom in. Yep, within my 25 line, within my 25 line, I've got a design there ready to go, okay? Once you've got your design ready to go, you come over to your layers, you shift and select all of them. And down the bottom here, we want to attach them, okay? That just pins them in place. We want to save our project. Just put your name on it, hit save. And you would then send that file to me. Now I've got a separate video of how to send these designs, so I will upload that link as well. Okay, please use time appropriately, guys. And let's see how individual we can make this and how much skill you can show. See you later.